Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we see over here is pretty much the same as my Wednesday live session. Take note that our live session for this quarter, that means from April all the way to 29th of June, will start at 9:30 p.m. Singapore time, which is plus 8 GMT instead. And I did mention that all yen pairs have one similarity, and of course you've been trading for quite some time, you're able to recognize patterns. They are all showing a double top with a RSI divergence. Alright, so if you have no idea, this is how I trade double top. Alright, a retest of the previous high without any rebound of any structure, then that will be my potential double top, and that's how I engage it. However, a very important filter for me will be a RSI divergence over here. Okay, so check it out. The yen pairs within my list or under my radar, the dollar yen, the New Zealand yen, the Canada yen, the pound yen, all have this kind of structure. All right, so I wonder, okay, is a yen depreciation pushing it to happen? All right, so anyway, down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have, just a zoom in version over here. Or some traders might be looking at a potential sideways bounce or even a bullish flag pattern. As time goes, we shall see. 1-hour chart, nothing much. You can scan this QR code over here. That will bring you to our website where you can share with us what's your thoughts on dollar yen or any other pairs, any other currencies. Share our analysis over here in our trading community, and we will be more than happy to share a view. To share our view as well, and that's how you can start to learn. And speaking of learning, if you scroll down further, you can even start to learn how to trade over here for free. All right, so in this course on this training, we do teach you how to analyze the chart yourself, and that is when you're able to earn some money. But first, we always stress that try on demo account until you're comfortable, then you jump in. All right, and so there's no need for you to fund in a lot of money. You can start with $500 or $1,000. I almost to say 100,000. All right, so $500 or $1,000 USD to get started, get a hang of it, and once you're comfortable, then it's your take and it's your call. All right, so scroll down further, you can even see some of our trading ideas over here. And with these trading ideas, you can see a couple of things in common. First up, our trading ideas produce the kind of potential profits of more than 100 pips. And the second thing that you should be able to see is that the second targets often not is more than 2:1. All right, in fact, it's just that these two trading ideas happen to be the first one that are really more than 2:1, which is rather rare, but it happens over here. All right, so if you want to learn the right way, or to have this kind of advantage in trading, you don't want to stare at the screen and stuff like that, well, this is us. Okay, that's us. Head back to our daily charts over here, and just right before that, I just want to share that all social media account I have is if I have, most likely it will be under Rinlim, and these are the social media account that I have my accounts on, as Rinlim, as well as YouTube, as well as Clubhouse. Very soon I will start my YouTube series under Rinlim as well. The current Forex 100 will still stay, but it will based on different stuff. All right, so back on our to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. So pretty simple. This is the double top opportunity. I'm looking for a shorting opportunity over here. Head down to the 4-hour chart. This is what we have if the market continue to go lower and break this bullish trend line, if you want to call it, or ascending trend line. Then we might have a bullish bat pattern at 118.57, which is still quite early to say. Even on this entire structure, we have to see if it hold. If it hold on this trend line and it reverse, and because we have set the alert on the line, and me as a pro user in trading view, I can set an alert when after the candle close, so I do not need to set an alarm to remind me. That's the beauty of it. And head down to the 1-hour chart. Nothing much over there. All right, so if you're still looking for a buying opportunity, these are the couple levels you can look at, which is better. And of course, on the the dollar yen 1-hour chart, this could be a support region. You can wait for a buying opportunity as well. This price, All right, you wait for a buying opportunity over here, and this is how I set my alert. And as this is a real support level we are looking at, I'll put it as a solid line. If it's dotted line, it's just for alert purposes. Visibility, I just make sure that it only appear on the 1 hour chart, so you won't get very messed up chart if you're using like MetaTrader. You can't hide by time frame. All right, so either you keep it there or delete it at this moment of recording. That's the technology. However, I still use MetaTrader to engage a trade, just to let you know. It's easier, but for plotting chart, I'm using TradingView, although recently it started a bit buggy. I can type anything that I want, and over here, and once per bar close, that means once the candle close, then I receive the alert. Only once it touch, it will just beep. So from different purposes, I'll set it differently. All right, so once that's done, you will see this alarm clock, this clock symbol that will show you that your alerts are already set. So if you like this kind of teaching and stuff like that will be more stuff coming through the YouTube channel. That's how I'm going to share. And of course, if you're looking for a job to work in the financial institute in Singapore, you have to reside in Singapore first. Drop me a note. We'll see if you're right fit, and if not, you just want to learn and wait for the next job availability, or you just want to trade for yourself, drop us a note as well. We will also see if you're a good fit. I'm rather picky when we come to student selection. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care.